Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Have you ever wondered if your everyday eating habits could be slowly killing you? It sounds dramatic, but it's true. The foods you love, the ones you think are harmless, might be hiding dangerous secrets that increase your risk of cancer. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 healthy eating habits to protect yourself from this terrifying disease. We're going to break down the science, make it easy to understand, and give you actionable steps to take control of your health. You know I'm passionate about empowering you guys with the knowledge you need to live healthier, longer lives, and sometimes that means having tough conversations about the hidden dangers lurking in our food. But knowledge is power, and once you know what to look out for, you can make informed choices that protect your health. So, if you're ready to dive in and discover how to eat your way to a cancer-free life, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future health advice.
HealthyShot channel provides brief and useful health information, focusing on the problem, causes, complications, and optimal solutions to health problems. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe for updates.
And please, share this valuable health information with your family, friends, and others to help protect them from carcinogenic substances. Okay, let's talk about grilled meats. I know, they're delicious. That smoky flavor, the char marks, the juicy tenderness. It's enough to make your mouth water. But here's the thing. When meat is cooked at high temperatures like on a grill, it undergoes a chemical transformation that creates harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines, or HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. And guess what? These compounds have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Now, before you swear off your next barbecue, let me explain. HCAs form when the amino acids and creatine in meat react at high heat. PAHs, on the other hand, are formed from the smoke and flames that come into direct contact with your food during grilling. Both of these compounds are carcinogenic, meaning they have the potential to damage DNA and lead to cancer development. Studies have shown a strong association between high consumption of grilled meats and an increased risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and stomach cancers. And it's not just grilling. Other high-heat cooking methods like pan frying and barbecuing can also produce these harmful compounds. But don't worry, I'm not saying you can never enjoy a good burger or steak again. The key is moderation and making smarter choices. Instead of grilling every day, try incorporating other cooking methods into your routine, like baking, roasting, or slow cooking. These methods use lower temperatures and reduce the formation of HCAs and PAHs. Another tip is to marinate your meats before grilling. Marinades, especially those containing herbs and spices, can act as antioxidants and help reduce the formation of harmful compounds. And when you do grill, make sure to cook your meat thoroughly, but avoid charring. Cutting off any burnt pieces can also help reduce your exposure to carcinogens. Remember, it's all about balance and making informed choices. By understanding the risks and taking simple precautions, you can still enjoy your favorite grilled foods while protecting your health. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a plate of crispy golden brown French fries? They're the perfect comfort food, a salty and satisfying treat. But what if I told you that those crispy brown edges, the ones we all crave, are actually a warning sign? That's right, the brown color indicates the presence of acrylamide, a potentially carcinogenic substance. Acrylamide is a chemical compound that forms in starchy foods, like potatoes, when they're cooked at high temperatures, typically above 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This means your favorite fried potatoes, potato chips, and even breakfast cereals could contain this harmful compound. Now, before you panic, it's important to understand that acrylamide is present in many foods, and it's the dose that makes the poison. However, studies have shown a potential link between high acrylamide intake and an increased risk of certain types of cancer, particularly endometrial, ovarian, and breast cancer. The good news is that there are simple steps you can take to reduce your acrylamide exposure. When cooking potatoes, aim for a golden yellow color rather than brown. This means avoiding overcooking or burning. Roasting or baking potatoes are healthier alternatives to frying. When it comes to packaged foods like potato chips and cereals, read the labels carefully. Choose brands that are committed to reducing acrylamide levels in their products. And remember, moderation is key. Enjoy your favorite treats in moderation, and focus on incorporating a variety of healthy foods into your diet. By making small changes in your cooking habits and food choices, you can significantly reduce your acrylamide intake and protect your health. Remember, knowledge is power, And by staying informed, you can make the best choices for your well-being. Chapter 3: Skip hot drinks in plastic cups, the hidden hormone disruptors. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our health. But did you know that the way you enjoy your hot beverages could be exposing you to harmful chemicals? That's right. Those convenient plastic cups we often reach for could be leaching dangerous xenoestrogens into our drinks. Xenoestrogens are a type of endocrine disruptor, meaning they can interfere with our body's natural hormonal balance. They mimic the effects of estrogen, the primary female sex hormone, and can wreak havoc on our endocrine system. When you pour a hot drink into a plastic cup, the heat can cause the plastic to break down and release tiny particles of xenoestrogens into your beverage. These chemicals can then be ingested and absorbed into your bloodstream. Studies have linked xenoestrogen exposure to a range of health problems, including hormonal imbalances, infertility, and even an increased risk of hormone-related cancers such as breast cancer, prostate cancer, and ovarian cancer. Now, before you swear off hot drinks altogether, there are simple steps you can take to protect yourself. First and foremost, ditch the plastic cups. Opt for reusable alternatives like glass, ceramic, or stainless steel. These materials are more stable and won't leach harmful chemicals into your drinks. If you must use a plastic cup, choose those labeled as BPA-free. BPA, or bisphenol A, is a common xenoestrogen found in many plastics. However, even BPA-free plastics may contain other potentially harmful chemicals, so it's always best to err on the side of caution. Another tip is to avoid heating plastic containers in the microwave. The high temperatures can accelerate the leaching process and increase your exposure to xenoestrogens. Instead, transfer your food or drink to a microwave-safe container before heating. By making simple swaps and being mindful of your choices, you can significantly reduce your exposure to xenoestrogens and protect your hormonal health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your well-being. Live a longer, healthier life. Your journey starts today. So there you have it, guys. 3 simple yet powerful eating habits that can significantly reduce your risk of cancer. Remember, knowledge is power, and by making informed choices about the foods you eat, you're taking control of your health and your future. Take control of your health now. Share these life-saving tips with your friends and family. Stay informed, stay healthy, and live a cancer-free life. Don't wait for a wake-up call. Start implementing these changes today and experience the incredible benefits of a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health advice delivered straight to your feed. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those questions coming.